Make sure you count your reps. Come on, Tina Asylum. This is what they train for here. This is what they train for. You gonna leave me hanging, Jen? She's focused. I like a girl that's focused. Here we go. It's do or die. That's why it's called sudden death. Are you ready? Yeah! 3, 2, 1, go! Alright guys, I gave you a minute to concentrate. Now we're gonna push. Now you're gonna push. Come on. Come on, that first minute was for you. Now I'm here. We're going. We're digging. We're in it. We're in it. Push. Remember to count. You're tired. Your body doesn't want to jump. The agility sequences are coming hard. Your body and your legs is feeling like lead. But what are you gonna do? You're gonna go? Come on, Jan. Push. Push. Faster feet. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go. You are halfway there. That means you got half of it done. If you just do the same thing, you can do it. Come on, guys. Go. Come on. Push. Come on, Allie. Come on, Allie. Come on. You go. You go. It's a bunch of athletes in the house. Come on. You know as a tennis player, it's all about those quick feet. Come on. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Come on. Push. Push. Look at that jump. Look at that jump. Look at that control. Look at that control. You see that? That's what you want to look like here. You still need to be counted. Look, guys. Check it out. 1 minute to go. This is when sudden death really counts. Are you going to give up or are you going to go? Are you going to give up or are you going to go? How you feeling, Allie? Come on, she doesn't want to talk to me right now, but she has to. You got to communicate to your team. How you guys feeling? Come on, guys. We're almost there. We're almost there. Fight it out. Fight it out. Come on, come on. Push, 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 push. How we doing? How we doing? Come on, what number you on? 6. Come on, come on. Push, push. 6 rounds. This is crazy. Come on, push. Push, guys. Push, push. You're almost there. That's right. That's right. Quick feet. Quick feet. Come on, guys. 20 seconds to go. Let's push. Let's push. Let's push. Come on. Get that last round in. Get that last round in. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Push, push, push. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Right away. Right away. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 10. Allie sounds like she wants to cry. How do you feel?